right, Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Jay, and Jay is now 1 year out of his procedure with us here at Natural Transplants, and as you can see from the before pictures, he looks like a different person. People are even questioning on YouTube, is this the same guy? You know, I don't know, is there some kind of fake camera work going on here? What are you guys up to? So blew me away. He's one of our superstars here. And, Jay, how has the hair, affected you? And tell us, how your life is with hair.
Before, I ain't getting up in the mirror, being the dreaded day when I actually shaved my head, being a bald guy. I mean, I don't know if everybody goes through it, but I know it was definitely kind of hurting my self-esteem a little bit, I could definitely see, more and more, as the years progressed, and then looking back and then seeing how much hair I had. So it's definitely changed. I'm not looking in the mirror as much anymore, only to kind of fix what's going on, if anything like that. Yeah, definitely in the morning I don't feel oh man, I guess, lack of better words, so ugly.
Well, I'm so happy for you, man. I'm sure it gives you a lot more confidence moving forward and in every aspect of your life. And I'm happy for you. This will be your final result at 1 year. You can see how tight the hairline is from one pass. And do you mind putting your chin down to your chest? We can just kind of put some side by sides. Awesome. And then let's do a left and right. Let's do a left and right side. So yes, take it right there. Beautiful. And let's see the other side, same way. And awesome. And full disclosure, Jay, are there any products or fibers or anything in your hair right now? Are you, disguising it in any way or beefing it up in any way? Okay, just to be clear. And then how is your scar in the back? You don't have to show us, but is there any issues in terms of how you can wear your hair or anything like that?
I had it as short as I want to say 2.
Bar, yeah.
You could barely see it,
right?
But I the crease in the hair,
right?
But it was not noticeable at all. Under really, really harsh light, if you're at the beach,
yeah,
maybe,
yeah.
But I've gone to several. Oh yeah, I've gone to several barbers and said, hey, I have a linear scar and it runs pretty much from ear to ear, and they're like, where? We've shaved your head down. I've had a skin fade too, and nothing. It's really hard to see.
Awesome. Well, Jay, congratulations. If you ever want more for any crazy reason, let us know. And thank you for updating everyone. And you really are an inspiration to a lot of guys that think there's no hope out there for them. And it's unbelievable what one procedure could do for you. And looking forward to seeing how this affects your life in a positive way. And thanks again for being an ambassador for our practice.
Oh, well, thank you.
You got it. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.